Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious kulfi at home with milk. First, gather your essential ingredients, whole milk, sugar, and your favorite flavorings like cardamom and nuts. Using a heavy-bottomed pan is crucial to prevent scorching. Make sure all your measurements are precise before you begin this delightful culinary journey. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly authentic kulfi experience. The heart of kulfi lies in the slow reduction of milk. Begin by simmering about 4 cups of whole milk over a medium-low flame. This process should take approximately 1 hour. Remember to stir frequently to prevent the milk from sticking and burning at the bottom. You'll want to reduce the milk to about 1/3 of its original volume, creating a rich, creamy base. Once your milk has reduced, it's time to infuse it with wonderful flavors. Stir in about 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of aromatic ground cardamom. For added texture and taste, incorporate chopped pistachios and almonds. Continue cooking the mixture for another 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to thicken further and for the flavors to meld beautifully. This step is key to that classic kulfi richness. After the kulfi mixture has cooled slightly, pour it into your chosen molds or small cups. For the best results, freeze your kulfi for at least 6 to 8 hours, or even better, overnight. This ensures a firm, creamy texture. When ready to serve, you can garnish with a sprinkle of extra nuts or a few strands of saffron. Enjoy this homemade, traditional Indian frozen dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.